I don't know. I think you were just like jumping up and down.
I pulled my pants here.
You jiggle. Your boobs jiggle.
Do they? I can spin in circles, you want to see?
Aww.
Would you believe I've never had a dance lesson in my life?
I know, right? God.
I am just naturally, hey, my jacket's falling off.
Take it off.
Oh, stick it. My butt? That's my butt. Oompa, loompa,
This is like an amateur porn. This is the beginning of amateur porn. I got the coat on me. Yeah.
Jen, I see my jacket here. Does that turn you on?
Oh yeah. Got a huge ass boner, can't you tell?
I knew it!
I don't even know where I'm pointing the fucking thing.
I'll take that off your head now. That was a good aim though, huh?
That was.
For not even trying, that was fantastic.
It was beautiful. There is. Holy crap. And look at there's a wall.
You know what I learned?
What'd you learn?
Don't jump in flip-flops. You make me fall.
Just a wee bit.
It's okay, they have Tinkerbell on the bottom of them. Well, kind of. She's kind of not there no more. See?
Yep. What'd you do to her? Jeez.
Ew! I wore her.
You did.
You're dirty.
I see the moon.
You see what?
The moon.
The moon is pretty. Pretty, pretty moon. I'm seeing it's the moon. Hello, moon. Oh my god.
Wow.
You should at least come be stupid with me.
I could be.
Yeah, you're doing a damn good job.
I'm sorry. I just got really tall. It was.
I was the Easter bunny. I hopped down the bunny trail. He goes, what? Only I don't have a tail. Stop squishing my head.
I'm not. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oompa loompa doobity doo. I've got another puzzle for you. I don't know the puzzle though.
I don't either. What do you get?
When your kid is a brat.
Yeah, that's
Or
it.
something like that.
You
Or when you
rhymed.
guzzle down sweets, eating as much as an elephant eats.
Dun, dun, dun.
That's all I remember of that.
Holy shit, it's been 3 minutes and 32 seconds.
There's my belly. Bye bye belly. My belly smiles, you want to see?
Your hair's in the way.
He's smiling. He says, hello world. How are you today? Elle bought it for me.
Aw.
I loved my belly ring. Let's do it. Bye bye belly ring. Bye. There's a bush. Hey, where's chicken?
They're sleeping.
Come here, chicken. I want to catch you. Come here, chicken.
They're sleeping in their tent.
Well, I want to deep fry them. I can't.
Oh! Those are my chickens.
They're evil chickens.
They're not
Trying
evil.
to kill you.
They're
No. They're not really sleeping. See? I heard them.
Probably the raccoons that live over there.
They're plotting to come kill you
Maybe.
when you go to bed at night.
Could be.
They're going to break into your house, through your window, and peck your eyes out.
That's not nice.
Like the evil chickens that they are, which is why you should just let me deep fry them. And serve them with whatever goes good with chicken.
Barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Barbecue sauce. You know, I love my chickens though. They mean something. I know.
I just want my pants.
Nice.
They're
Never.
going down.
Yeah, that's not creepy. Oh shit.
I have balls in my mouth. They taste yummy.
Nice.
Bye bye, camera.
Bye.